Do you need to sell your home in Chicago fast? Whether it's your job is relocating, or you've had a recent financial change, or you're just ready to get out of there, right? I got you covered, okay? Because in this video today, I'll share with you the critical steps that you need to take to sell your home quickly in today's crazy market, all right? So stick around. What's up? It's your boy Marley here, your local Chicago real estate expert. And if you're looking for the best tips to buy, sell, or relocate to the Windy City, make sure you subscribe below and tap that bell for notifications, all right? But listen, right? Selling fast doesn't necessarily mean that you have to sacrifice your home value, okay? Who wants to sacrifice their equity? I get it, right? But let me show you how to actually speed up the process while also attracting serious buyers and getting a great deal on your property, okay? Why does this matter? Because time is money, especially in the real estate game, right? The longer your home sits on the market, the more you are risk losing potential buyers and negotiating power, okay? So let's get it sold. Selling fast in a market as dynamic as Chicago can feel a little bit overwhelming, but with the right strategy, I promise you, right, it is absolutely doable, okay? So stick with me. Let's get into it. Step number one, price it competitive. First thing you want to do is to start with the right price, okay? Because overpricing is just going to scare serious buyers away, and that's not good. And underpricing is going to cut into your equity and leave money on the table, okay? So what you want to do is to research comparable homes that are in your neighborhood, work with a real estate agent like myself, or an appraiser to kind of hit that sweet spot, all right? Second thing you want to do is to boost the curb appeal, okay? First impressions, they matter. As much as we like to think that they don't matter, they do matter, okay? So make sure that your home stands out from the front, right? With a clean yard, right? Fresh flowers, and maybe update some of the fixtures, okay? Step number three, stage your home to sell, okay? Staging helps buyers actually, for themselves visualize what it actually would look like if they lived in the home. So what you want to do is to declutter, depersonalize, and arrange the furniture in a way that highlights your home's best features, all right? So, right, if you want help, right, prior to listing with this, pick up my pre-listing checklist in the link in the description below, right, so you're ahead of the game. Step number four, leverage professional photography, right? I cannot stress this enough, okay? Buyers browse your home online first. Everybody's online, right? So you want high quality photos, right? Because that can actually make or break a buyer's decision to actually schedule a showing. Step number five, use aggressive marketing, okay? Don't just rely on the MLS to promote your home on, the internet, right? What you want to do is to use social media, right? If you work with us, we'll create a video for you, post it on social media, right? Or you can use, Facebook ads and run targeted ads. Make showings easy. That's number six, okay? Be flexible with the showing times. Keep your home ready to impress, right? At a moment's notice, okay? Conveniency attracts many buyers, okay? So remember that. Step number seven is to offer incentives. Listen, if you're trying to sell fast, what you want to do is to sweeten up the deal a little bit, okay? With some perks like offering buyers to pay their closing costs, right? Or you can offer home warranty, and what this is going to do is going to help your home stand out amongst the rest of the listings, okay? So consider that. All right, now if you want to make sure that you're covering all the bases, okay, then download my free pre-listing checklist in the link in the description below. And this is going to help you prepare your home for a quick sale from the start, all right? So you want to make sure you're ahead of the game. All right, now if you're thinking about selling as well and you want expert advice or help speeding up the process to sell your home, then also what you want to do is to click the link in the description that says Be My Realtor, right? And we can get your home sold in no time, all right? But until next time, my friend, peace.